Hi guys, so you guys remember the carbon monoxide and fire alarms, right? I was wondering, what are all of the deadly gases in the world? So I asked Google Gemini, and this is what it gave me. And I wish if I could make my own. So, guess what? I am. Here it starts. Heads up, there's smoke. The alarm may sound. The alarm is loud. Press the silent. Emergency. There's smoke. Press the silent. Disaster gone. Emergency. There's carbon monoxide. Move to fresh air. Evacuate. There's fire. I repeat, evacuate. Emergency. There's arsen. Move outside. Attention. There's hydrogen sulfide. Move to fresh air. Emergency. There's nickel carbonyl. Move to fresh air. Alert. There's phosgene. Move to fresh air. Alert. There's phosphine. Move to fresh air. Emergency. The alarm is going to self-destruct. Make sure if your family members, especially you, are far away from it. Call emergency services immediately. Make sure that any explosives are not near.